Hi, sixth graders. Mr. Ott here, and today I'm going to be reading a story from Greek mythology. Greek mythology is the story of gods and goddesses and the people they interact with. Today I'm going to be reading the story of Pandora the Curious. I hope you enjoy it. Have you ever had to wait to open a present? You keep looking at it, you wonder what might be inside. It can be so hard to wait. If you don't, you might be sad though. Just ask Pandora. Pandora was the first woman. She was meant to be a gift to humans. When she was made, all of the gods came together to make her extra special. They gave her beauty, they gave her a lovely singing voice, they dressed her in fine robes, they put gold around her neck and flowers in her hair. Then Zeus gave Pandora a gift. It was a box. It was locked. You must never ever open this, he told her. The key was given to her husband, Epimetheus. He wanted to open the box, but he did not. He knew that Zeus was tricky. Pandora kept looking at the box. What was inside? She wanted to know. She had to know. While her husband slept, she stole the key. Quietly, she opened the box. She lifted the top. Out came every terrible thing in the world. Death flew out, then sadness. Sickness sped by, then war. Anger and fear raced by. Pandora was so scared. She slammed the lid back down. Only one thing was left inside the box. It was hope. Even today, when people feel sad or mad, they know there's always hope. Just ask Pandora.